channel. So today for you guys, I figured I would share with you what I got during the spring VIB sale. So Sephora recently had their spring bonus sale, and I did take the opportunity to pick up some of my favorite products and some products I've never tried before. So I figured this will be the perfect time to not only share with you guys what I've got, but since the VIB sale was like about a week ago, I've also started to use these products so I can also give you guys a mini review on how they've been working for me thus far. So if you guys are interested to see what I picked up and how they've been working for me, then make sure you keep on watching. Alright guys, so there are 2 Sephoras in my area, and I went to one thinking that everything was going to be in stock. I checked online, everything was in stock, and then I get there and nothing is in stock. So I did have to end up going to 2 different Sephoras to get everything that was on my wish list. This VIB sale, I went a little bit more into skincare. I didn't really get too many makeup products just because I feel like I have a lot of products that I'm still needing to work through. Well, I did get a makeup product, so let's start with that first because this is something that I've already used and I've probably already talked about. But I did decide to repurchase my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I get it in the shade Medium 1 Biscuit. This is like my exact concealer shade, so this is what I use when I don't wear much makeup. I just really love it. It doesn't crease, it doesn't feel heavy, it goes on effortlessly. Okay, another thing that I've talked about recently is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. And I did purchase it like about a month ago in the travel size. I loved it so much that I decided to purchase it in the full size. It's just really easy to use. It takes off all my makeup, and it's almost like a one-step process for me. So on lazy days where I don't feel like doing the whole double cleansing method, I could literally just use this and I know my skin is clean. Next, I want to talk about a hair product. So I used Olaplex when my hairstylist lightened my hair the first time she did use the Olaplex system. The Olaplex number 3, which is the repair and strengthener, is also available in stores. So this is actually available in Sephora, and I've heard amazing reviews on this product. Since my hair is bleached, I definitely like to give it deep conditioning treatments and masks as often as I can to keep it healthy. And since we're getting into the summer months and I'm thinking about changing my hair color again, I really wanted to have something on hand to help bring back the health and strengthen my hair. So I picked up the Olaplex number 3. I'm really excited to get this product in my hair. You can use it, it says that you can use it once a week, or you could use it 2 to 3 times per week for damaged hair. So it's not a conditioner, it is a bond builder. So it's going to help strengthen your hair follicles and your hair shaft. Another thing that I really wanted to try for the longest, but I refuse to spend the amount of money on them, are the Glam Glow masks. I did purchase the travel size, but I did get the Gravity Mud Firming Treatment by Glam Glow. During sales, I like to grab things that I wouldn't normally purchase in Sephora, so this is definitely one of those things. I've seen a lot of YouTubers use it, so I definitely want to try it out for myself. The next 2 things are things that I've actually started to use, and I'm really excited because I'm really liking the way they're making my skin look and feel. The first thing I want to talk about is the Fab, or First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. It is the Intense Hydration Skin Protectant. This is what it looks like. You get a ton of this product. It's going to help hydrate dry, parched skin, and it temporarily helps to relieve mild irritation and itch due to eczema and other skin conditions. I don't really have eczema or anything like that, but my skin is so dry. You can use this on your face as well as on your arms and legs and wherever else. I know that might scare some people, but you can also use this on kids and babies. So once I saw that babies can use this, I was like, okay, if I put it on my face, it probably will be safe. It won't break me out, it'll be okay. And so far, so good. I've been using this product for about a week, and so far, I love the way my skin feels. I just use it on my face. I only use it at night, and when I wake up, my skin is super hydrated, super soft, super supple. It just feels so good. Like, it just feels really plump and hydrated. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just bomb. It's supposed to help with anti-aging. It also has tons of antioxidants in it. It also has oatmeal in it, so it's really, really good for your skin. The last product is one that was overly hyped. I don't know what skincare product has been this hyped since this one has released, but this one I saw and heard about everywhere. What I'm talking about is the Ulla Henriksen Truth Banana Bright Eye Cream. So this is what it looks like. It's a really small package. I believe it's only 0.5 fluid ounces, so you don't even get a whole ounce of this product. It's said to have vitamin C and collagen to help with your under eye area. So what it claims is that it's going to brighten your under eye area, and it also claims to hydrate the under eyes, prevent signs of aging, and just really give your under eye area the moisture that it needs to look healthy, youthful, and bright. So far, out of all of the eye creams that I've ever tried, this one I've noticed a huge difference in my under eye area. While using this, I do use this in the evening and in the morning. I do notice a brightening effect that this cream gives. It kind of just rehydrates and makes your eyes look really alert and really awake, and it just kind of like wakes up your face. I don't know, it's really hard to explain, but I was literally blown away using it just once. I would notice a difference. When I put it on at night and I woke up in the morning, my eyes felt so smooth and soft. It was the weirdest thing. Like, my eyes have never felt like that, at least the underneath portion, and I was like blown away by how my eyes felt. My concealer applies so much smoother. I noticed that it doesn't settle in the creases under my eye as much as it was before, so I'm really excited about incorporating this product in my routine. Last but not least, I want to mention a couple of products that I received from Clarins. Now, these products were sent to me for review, so I did not purchase these products, but you can find them at Sephora, and I am going to give you guys my honest opinion on these products so far. So I was sent the Hydra Essentials Moisture Replenishing Lip Balm, as well as the Hydra Essentials Moisturizing Reviving Eye Mask. I haven't used it for too long, but so far I used it about twice, and I really like the way it feels. It does definitely hydrate my under eye. I do like to use this overnight, and when I rinse it off in the morning, my eyes just feel and look so much better. So I'm really excited about that. It definitely helps to keep my eyes moisturized. So I've been loving doing this treatment at night. And then the lip balm, who doesn't need a lip balm? My lips are always so dry, and this lip balm literally has just been a lifesaver. This is like my go-to lip balm for the nighttime when I'm getting ready to go to bed. I put this on, and in the morning my lips just feel really conditioned. I am going to be doing a full review on both of these products in a video that will be coming up shortly, so make sure you keep an eye out on my channel for that if you're interested to know more. That's it for this haul, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Sephora Spring VIB haul. I'm really excited that I picked up these products, and I can't wait to use them. If you like this video and you want to see more hauls, whether it be makeup, fashion, whatever, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know if you participated in the Spring VIB sale, or if you are looking to pick up any of these products that I mentioned in my haul. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And while you're hitting that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you do not miss my next upload. And until my next video, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!